Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you get tired of the tangled mess of devices and cables and chargers? I definitely do. So really excited about this product. This is from Scosche and this is the BaseLynx charging station. It is a modular station that you can customize, so it's super cool. These different pieces are modular and they come apart, so you can reorder them or you can even purchase additional ones to add to this and make it work exactly how you need it. It is also made to protect your devices. So it's got nice rubber feet here so it's non-slip, and these pieces where you can put your tablet or phones, they have a nice soft rubber, and even this fabric is nice and soft and it's even water resistant. Definitely high speed. I have noticed that all my devices charge up really quickly, and I just love that they're so organized and it just cleans up everything. You have your watch charger here, your phone charger, and then here where you can add additional devices, there are also charging ports on the back, so you can use like mini cables. So it would just keep everything really neat and organized. So I love that with one outlet, I have 5 charging ports for all of my devices, and it keeps everything neat, clean, organized, and I know that I am going to wake up in the morning to fully charge devices right when I need them. So if you're looking to get rid of the tangled mess of chargers that you might have as well and want something that is versatile, customizable, definitely check out this BaseLynx station. This is a really great product, and that's my point of view.